About 3 weeks ago, I presented a concept of my Gen 18. Today, I'm going to show you where I am at with this boat. It is not 100% done, but it is ready for water test. I'm going to do a walkthrough of this early prototype, and then I will take it for water test in the next few days. The boat with the configuration shown here, which including the pedal drive and also a spare pedal, weighed totally 58.5 pounds. And it's pretty heavy. However, it's about half the weight of a similar fishing kayak. And I have to create a cart so that I can move the boat easily. The body with the foam core is 19 pounds, and the deck with the mountings for the pedal drive weighs 10 pounds. The chair is a little bit heavy, 5 pounds. The two pontoons are totally 6 pounds, which is a little bit lighter than I have expected. The pedal drive is 12 pounds. The cart is only 4.5 pounds. And the pedal are allowed for 2 pounds. So totally comes up to 58.5 pounds. I believe I can easily lower the weight by about 6 to 7 pounds by changing some of the materials I used. Since this is the very first time I test the boat, I will use duct tape to close the front. For the final version, I will fuse it together. There's a better way to create a holder for the front. You can use zip tie and have it to go through the coupler and the foam, but you have to seal the holes so that the water will not get inside the inner channel of the coupler. I use wood to create a mount for the pedal drive because that's what I have on hand. In the future, I will use aluminum extrusion because it will be lighter. I have a 120 pound zip tie, but I couldn't find them. Therefore, I used the 50 pounds one, which is not as strong as I would like to. I flattened the PVC pipe and used it to create a stopper and allow me to elevate the pedal drive in a standby position. I also use it to cover up the opening in case water splashing onto me while I am paddling. I want to try if I am sitting on the kayak. Would that be easy for me to install the pedal drive? As I demonstrate here, I have the bungee balls on both ends of the arms of the drive, and it's pretty easy for me to secure it onto the mount. And then I try to lift the drive up. I put the stopper so that the drive is elevated. Next, I'm going to uninstall the drive. And there are other methods to secure the drive onto the mount. And I will try different methods next time. And then I will also change the mount to aluminum instead to lower the weight. I adopted the same deck design as my Gen 17, even though it may create some drag. However, it will provide me very good tracking. With Gen 17, I was able to use that boat in a windy situation. To me, having that capability is more important than the speed. If you think it creates too much drag, you can always remove it, which will also make the boat lighter too. This is a comfortable seat, but I have to modify it so it can be inclined at an angle for paddling. I bent a PVC pipe to create that elevation, and I mount it using hose clamp onto the frame of the chair. I use the lashing to secure the seat onto the platform, and the seat is pre-adjusted to my body size. I could have made 2 rails and have the seat be secured onto the rail so that I can adjust the seat easily. My sister will be helping me with the testing, and she is shorter. The easy workaround is to add a pad at the back of the seat, so it will work for my sister. I will be adding bungee cords to this part of the deck. For now, I just do a simple one to hold my spare paddle. I really like this design. I can extend it, I can retract it all the way in. The original design for the width of the boat is here 24, and because of the platform it becomes 25 inches. But then after I add all these pontoons, the overall width is 37 inches. My earlier plan was only 33. It should be very stable as is without extending the pontoon. I can extend it for 6 inches. The depth of this piece is only 1 feet. And here is another aluminum pipe which is pretty strong. Again, I plan to use a stronger zip tie, 120 pounds for now. I'm using 50 pounds zip tie. That will be changed later. This is a proof of concept, and I will change the material. I can do all this with one hand, and it works pretty well for now. And it will be much better and stronger after I modify the latch design. My design goal has always been trying to make things as simple as possible. This cart is very simple. It has 2 hooks for attaching the cart to the boat, and I don't need to use any lashing. I used the 1/2 inch PVC pipe to build this cart to reduce the weight. It is not very strong, but strong enough for this application. It is very easy to fold and unfold the kayak. The hinge is pretty strong, and it is very easy for me to swing 2 sections of the boat at the hinge. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help me to grow my channel, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me feedback. Please stay tuned for my update in designing this Gen 18. Bye.